Hello traders and investors, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. It's been a while since my previous video. The reason is that unfortunately I didn't have a good handle on the market, and sometimes when you yourself don't know what's going on, the best thing to do is to keep quiet. However, now I'm pretty certain that I know where Bitcoin is going, both in the long term and in the short term. As far as the big picture is concerned, Bitcoin was in a wave 4 correction between March 13th and July 5th. This correction took on the shape of an expanding triangle in 5 waves A, B, C, D, and E. Since July 5th, we are in the beginning phases of a fresh impulse to the upside, which is going to be the final phase. Okay, now the targets, the bull market top targets currently are between 107k and 140k. Okay, it's a very wide area, but I will be able to narrow it down as we move along. As far as the short term is concerned, we are approaching a bull trap, a very serious bull trap, because I think that today, during the New York session, Bitcoin will cross above this downward sloping trend line, this resistance trend line, and many traders will buy the breakout because, according to classic technical analysis, a breakout from this triangle initiates a move, a measured move to the upside. Okay, so what most people will think is that after the breakout comes the final phase to the upside with a target of 134k. Unfortunately, it's not going to be that easy. What will happen, in my opinion, is that this wave 1 will be complete between 72k and 74k, probably at 74k. All the breakout traders will be in long on the trade, and this is when the correction phase will begin. It also rhymes very well with the financial astrology for August, because on August 5th, Mercury will be retrograde, and usually there is a correlation between a Mercury retrograde and instability in price, and the general direction is to the downside. I'm not shorting Bitcoin yet. I am waiting for the price to make a higher high and for the momentum indicator for the RSI to make a lower high. And I'm also waiting for this upward sloping trend line to become breached. This is when I will take a short trade for this correction. It's going to be very bumpy because it's a wave 2 correction in 3 waves, A, B, C, coupled with the Mercury retrograde. It's not going to be fun. It's going to be extremely volatile, but this should get us to about 63k, more or less close to the completion of the retrograde period, which is at 26th of August. Okay, this is when and where you want to load up on Bitcoin. Okay, between the range low at 60,800 and 63k, in preparation for the final push to the upside, which will be in a wave 3, another correction in wave 4, and a wave 5. And the target is more or less above 100k, as I previously said. Okay, that's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.